Welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel and number 10 in our List Perfectly tutorial series. I'm Star, and today I'm going to show you how you can edit and update listings across multiple platforms straight from your List Perfectly catalog. So again, this is just another reason why using your List Perfectly catalog is so beneficial for you as a reseller. It saves a lot of time and you can do a lot from the catalog. In addition to ending listings and marking them sold and cross-posting, there's a lot that you can do that really helps you save time. So let's look at this tie that we can see here as an example for this video. Let's say I wanted to take the word career out of this tie, but I wanted to do it on all the platforms without having to go to each one, eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, individually to make that change. So what I would do is find the item in my List Perfectly catalog that I want to edit or update, and then go up to my List Perfectly icon up here on my Chrome, and I want to go to Settings and make sure Copy to Open Marketplace tab is checked. You want to make sure that is checked. Then I'm going to close it, and I have to open an edit screen for each platform, and the way I do that is I simply right-click the name of each platform going down here and opening a new tab. And then I double check them. So on eBay, I would push Revise. On Poshmark, you're going to click Edit. And Mercari, you're going to click Edit. So then I would go to Edit my listing here on List Perfectly. And I'm going to take out that word Career. I'm going to update the item in my List Perfectly catalog, and there's going to be one more step to make this edit push out to the other platforms. You're going to click your List Perfectly icon arrows, the platforms you are making the edits to, and you're going to click Copy. Because you checked that setting at the beginning of this, it's not going to recopy these or cross-post them. It's actually going to go into each tab and edit. So you can see here on eBay, the word career is gone. If I were okay with this change, I would just click Update Listing. On Poshmark, you can see the word career is gone. So I would just click Update, list this item. And on Mercari, you can see also in the title, the word career is gone. So I would just update. So that's a quick and easy way to quickly make changes on your listings across multiple platforms. You can change words in the title, the price, the SKU line, anything that you would like. Just make sure, again, that you go up here to your settings and have that Copy to Open Marketplace tab checked, but uncheck it when you're done so that the next time you push copy on a listing, you'll go back to cross-posting. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or need any additional help with this hack for List Perfectly, let me know down in the comments below. And don't forget, if you want to try List Perfectly for your first month, 30% off, even if it's just upgrading to the Pro plan, to try it 30% off, use our code FlippinHippos and the link in the description box below. Speaking of that, there's also a link to our Facebook group in that box. It's called Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. I hope to see you join us over there. Great group of resellers. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Go be productive. Go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.